Hello, I'm Dr. Patel. My experience prior to this class, I almost had no implant experience before. I've never placed an implant. I've never taken an impression. I pretty much only learned the science behind it. Coming here, I learned how to not only place, I learned how to diagnose and treatment plan, complications, pretty much the whole works. I didn't get only experience in placing just single implants. I was taught overdentures, I was taught hybrid dentures, FP1 bridges, FP2, 3 bridges, the whole works. Pretty much I got a whole comprehensive assessment on how to place implants and diagnose and treatment plan. Coming in, I thought I would just be pretty much cookie cutter placing implants. Boom, 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 that was it, in and out. That's what I expected, but it was a whole different game, ball game here. Pretty much you assess the entire mouth before placing just single implants. You learn from a restorative aspect, not just placing the prosthodontic implants, but you also have to keep in mind the restoration, and that was key in having successful outcomes here. Over the 4 days, I placed about 23 implants. Day 1, took some baby steps, got about 3 in, boom, boom, escalated right after that. Day 2, we got some more single implants placed down, and then just consecutively day after day, we did full arch. We did full arch on the top, full arch on the bottom. Great experience. The lectures Dr. Chan and Dr. Brown went over with, the thing that resonated most with me was how important our occlusion is. I know a lot of people, when they're thinking about placing implants, it's just the surgical part of it, but the key thing to a successful outcome, I learned, was to have a proper occlusion and bite. And so in that lecture, the thing that resonated most well with me was actually the tensor and how they were able to treat complicated cases and restore their occlusion to have a better outcome there. I feel like I have the tools to place implants in my own practice, because not only now do I have the knowledge behind restoring these implants that I placed, I also got the hands-on experience. I got one-on-one experience with the doctors here. All of them were well. I worked with several different doctors. Each of them gave me a little advice that I can probably take back to my own practice and place those implants, and I'm actually really excited to implement those ideas that I've learned. This class exceeded my expectations. The amount of hands-on training I got, priceless, priceless.